transmit, and
Okay.
diathereminous means which will transmit. उल्टा है, die transmit, does not.
Okay.
थोड़ा इसमें ना डेफिनेशन उल्टा है थोड़ा. Aryan, how many hours you are practicing physics?
Sir, 2.5. Sometimes it's
More than
3.
that also.
Yes, sir. But generally 2 hours.
आउटपुट थोड़ा गड़बड़ लग रहा है, क्या करें? डर लग रहा है मुझे, कैसे करूंगा भाई? आपके लिए कुछ एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा मुझे. रुको, थोड़ी देर के बाद मैं सोच के बताता हूँ क्या प्लान कर सकते हैं.
Yes.
Resonance tube experiment. Resonance tube experiment. It is used to find unknown frequency of tuning fork at resonance frequency matches. तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, ट्यूनिंग फोर्क, a cylindrical tube open at both ends is immersed in glass jar containing water. By raising or lowering the tube, minimum length of air column in resonance with tuning fork is found. Because it is minimum length, therefore one antinode and one node have been formed. So lambda by 4 is L. Lambda is 4L. So velocity is n lambda. So velocity will become n into 4L. So by using resonance tube experiment, velocity becomes 4nL. Experimentally, it is found that antinodes are not formed exactly at open end. Open end. But slightly above open end. Hence, correction must be added to the length of air column. Correction must be added to the length of air column. This correction is called as end correction. Therefore, E is 0.3 D, where D is internal diameter of tube. Just copy this much. D is internal diameter of tube.
Done, sir.
Next is elimination of end correction. Elimination of end correction. First air column is made to vibrate at minimum length. So L1 plus E is 1 lambda by 4. Then by raising the tube, it is made to vibrate in next resonance. Resonance is the frequency same है, wavelength same है. Subtracting 1 from 2, we get L2 plus E minus of L1 plus E is 3 lambda by 4 minus 1 lambda by 4. So L1 plus E, L2 plus E minus L1 minus E is 2 lambda by 4. E cancel. Therefore, L2 minus L1 is lambda by 2. So lambda is twice of L2 minus L1. So by knowing L1, L2, we can get lambda, and from lambda we can get V without having any end correction. That is called elimination of end correction. So lambda is twice of L2 minus L1. Now end correction is either 0.3D or it will be L2 minus 3L1 upon 2. एक मिनट आपको समझा देता हूँ कैसा है ये L2 minus L1. So whenever two consecutive given, see this is only valid for two consecutive, not first and third, first and fourth. Now if I divide these two, L2 plus E upon L1 plus E divide कर दिया, so 3 lambda by 4 upon lambda by 4 ये cancel. When you cross multiply, L2 plus E will become 3L1 plus 3E. That means L2 minus 3L1 is 2E. So L2 minus 3L1 upon 2 is E. This is formula for end correction. So either they can ask you lambda for two consecutive length or end correction. Remember it into two form, 0.3D or L2 minus 3L1 upon 2. This completes our entire synopsis of waves and oscillation. So just complete, then I'm starting with MCQ.
Done, sir.
Now just open that PDF which I have sent. Waves and oscillation PDF I have sent. Just open page number 1. Did you get it? That total there are 22 pages, first one.
No, sir.
अरे भेजा तो बता दो, डेट बता दो कभी भेजा है। ट्यूसडे भेजा है, ट्यूसडे।
Yes, sir.
मिला सबको, मिला ट्यूसडे वाला वेव्स एंड ऑसिलेशन?
Yes, sir.
ओके।
No, sir, I didn't get it.
अरे आपका मोबाइल ऑफ था क्या? ऑफ था तभी। फिर से भेज देता हूँ।
No, sir. I also didn't get.
Okay, I will resend it. Don't worry. Now, did you get?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है।
Yes, sir.
First one. Velocity of body moving in simple harmonic motion. इतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं आता है एग्जाम में, बहुत डिफिकल्ट पूछा है। बताओ फॉर्मूला। Yes, tell the formula.
Sir, option B.
Option B. Yes. It is omega root of a square minus y square. B option. सबको एक साथ आंसर बोलना चाहिए था, इसके लिए आप लोग सोच रहे हैं। नेक्स्ट, सेकंड। A trolley moves in horizontal direction with acceleration a. A trolley moves with acceleration a. Simple pendulum is suspended in the roof of on the roof of this trolley. Time period of pendulum. So due to trolley moving in forward direction, this pendulum will move like this. This will be due to centrifugal. This is g. Net acceleration acting will be, what will be net acceleration here? A net. Can I say root of a square plus g square?
Yes, sir.
So time period is 2 pi root of L upon a net. That means 2 pi root of L upon root of a square plus g square. Option D.
Done, sir.
Third, maximum speed of particle performing SHM. Yash, what is formula for maximum speed in SHM? Hello, Yash.
Yes, sir.
Maximum speed in SHM. What is maximum speed in SHM?
No, sir.
Yes, Aryan, maximum speed in SHM.
Sir, omega A.
A omega, correct. Yes, you write 10 times V maximum A omega, V maximum A omega. याद हो जाएगा अभी. So maximum speed is given 10. Write 10 times, please write, otherwise you'll forget everything. What is A maximum? Tell the formula for A maximum.
Omega square.
A maximum is omega square A. What is ratio of A maximum to V maximum? Omega. This, please write these three things 10 times. Rahul, you also write. Ankita, you also write. Those who are not knowing, please write. So A max upon V max will give me omega. 31.4 upon 10. Omega is 2 pi by time period. Therefore, time period is 10 into 2 pi is 3.14 upon 31.4. 10 into 3.14 is 31.4. 2 seconds is the answer. Option A. Those who are not knowing, अब भी लिखो ये तीनों फॉर्मूला तो तुरंत याद होएगा. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Some number 4. A string of linear density 0.2 kg per meter is stretched with force of 500 Newton. A transverse wave is set up along the string of length 4 meter. Find the speed of wave. Chalo, anybody can find what is formula for speed of transverse wave along the stretched string? Yes, speed of transverse wave
T by m.
equals to root of T by m. T means what?
Tension.
Tension means what? Stretching force. So 500 क्या कर रहा है? Stretch कर रहा है क्या नहीं उसको? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So 500 upon 0.2. That will become 500 upon 0.2 is 5000 upon 2. 2500, which is equals to 50. 50.
Answer.
In SHM, amplitude of kinetic energy. Amplitude of kinetic energy is 1/4 of total energy at displacement. Okay. It should be like this. In SHM, what is amplitude? If kinetic energy is 1/4 of total energy. In SHM, amplitude of kinetic energy is 1/4 of total energy at displacement. How much? Okay, maximum kinetic energy is 1/4 of total energy at displacement. How much? Kinetic energy is 1/4. Then what is that displacement? If kinetic energy is 1/4 of total energy, then at what displacement? Hello? Abhish, good morning. अपनी LT फाइनेंस अभी कितना है? हाँ चलो. और 56 है. और कुछ बजाज फाइनेंस? ये आ सकता है क्या अपना उसमें? है? अच्छा जान. अच्छा. हाँ अभी 54 का है. नहीं अपन क्या करेंगे 5400 पे रखते हैं. देखते हैं अगर बैठता है तो पकड़ है. अच्छा. Kinetic energy is 1/4 total energy. Then displacement is how much? Got the answer? Chalo Yash, again I am asking you only. Yash? Hello?
Yes.
What is formula for kinetic energy in linear SHM? Not remembering? Say fast bolo. Not remembering, forget. कुछ नहीं होता है.
Yes.
पढ़ना. हाँ. Not remembering, please practice. अभी फटाफट मेरे सामने 10 बार लिखो. टोटल एनर्जी क्या है बोलो. बिकॉज फॉर्मूला नहीं आएगा तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते ना हम लोग एग्जाम में. ये तीनों फॉर्मूला लिखो. काइनेटिक पोटेंशियल एंड टोटल का 10 बार लिखो. अभी लिखेंगे तो याद होएगा, छोड़ देंगे तो नहीं होएगा. Rahul, you are knowing the formula of kinetic energy, total energy, potential energy. Hello Rahul. Hello. Ashlesha, you are knowing the formula?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ayush, you are knowing the formula?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Aryan Singh, you are remembering the formula?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, I did it.
ठीक है. तस्मय,
Yes, sir.
फॉर्मूला याद था?
Yes, sir.
ओके. अनिकेत,
Yes, sir.
यश को लिखने बोला मैंने. और कौन है उधर? साक्षी,
Yes, sir.
formula you are knowing?
Yes, sir.
See, it is not crime not knowing formula, but after revising you should know. So please, those who are not knowing, write 10 times and then solve. Half m omega square a square minus x square is 1/4 of half m omega square a square total energy. Half m omega square, please cancel. So a square minus x square is a square by 4. A square minus a square by 4 is equal to x square. X square is 3a square by 4. X is √3 by 2a. Is the answer, √3 by 2a. √3 by 2, that is option C. यश हो गया प्रैक्टिस?
Yes, sir.
अभी बोलो फॉर्मूला ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी इन लीनियर सिस्टम.
Sir, half m omega square a square.
half m omega square a square minus x square. Half m omega square a square minus x square. What is total energy?
Half m omega square a square.
Potential?
Half m omega square x square.
फिर से एक बार लिखो काइनेटिक का फॉर्मूला. चलो others can try sixth one. Sixth. यश आपका संडे का क्या प्रोग्राम होता है एवरी संडे? यश हाँ
Sir,
कुछ ऐसा कुछ नहीं ना?
नहीं.
ओके. आप घर पे ही है ना संडे एवरी संडे?
Yes, sir.
राहुल आपका?
Nothing, sir.
घर पे ना. अंकिता आपका?
Nothing.
आप तीनों के लिए 1:30 to 2 वाइवा रहेगा फॉर्मूला का. ये बताए तो क्या पूछूंगा इस संडे? ये संडे ओनली ऑसिलेशन वाला फॉर्मूला पूछने वाला. ये 10 मिनट में भी खत्म हो सकता है अगर आपको सब आ गया तो. एक आधे घंटे का स्लॉट 1:30 to 2 यू फिक्स फॉर वाइवा एवरी संडे फॉर 3 ऑफ यू. ठीक है. ये संडे का टारगेट ओनली ऑसिलेशन फॉर्मूला. 6th one. Ashlesha, what is formula for? Hello Ashlesha.
Yes, sir.
What is formula for time period of oscillating spring? For spring, what is time period? 2
I don't
pi.
know.
No problem. M by K. What is formula? 2 pi root M by K. I had not given you. Now you all can write down. If springs are in series, then 1 upon K series will be 1 upon K1 plus K2 up to Kn. If springs are in parallel, then K parallel is K1 plus K2 up to Kn. Write these three formulas.
Written, sir.
Now I'm concentrating on that sum. Can you see the diagram? How many springs are connected? How many springs are connected? 2. Their spring constant are different. और इसका मास है m. पहले ये सीरीज है क्या पैरेलल है?
Parallel.
This is parallel combination. Reason एक एंड दोनों का मास पे है, दूसरा एंड बॉल पे है. So it is like ball mass. इसके बीच में ही कनेक्टेड है ना दोनों. फर्स्ट स्प्रिंग एंड सेकेंड स्प्रिंग. This is ball, इधर बॉल और ये मास ऐसा कनेक्ट हो गया ना, खाली बॉल को ऐसा दिखा दिया. So these two are, this is parallel. What is then K parallel? K1 plus K2. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Time period formula is 2 pi root of m by K parallel. So frequency is reciprocal of this, which will be 1 upon 2 pi root of K parallel upon m. So can I say 1 upon 2 pi root of K1 plus K2 upon m? 1 upon 2 pi root of k1 plus k2 upon m. Option B.
Done, sir. In air column, if the air column in a pipe which is closed at one end, pipe is closed at one end. Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is formula for fundamental frequency of pipe closed at one end? For pipe closed at one end, fundamental frequency.
Sir,
V upon 4L. टेंशन मत लो.
okay.
V upon 4L. और अब भी लिखो तभी आपको याद रहेगा. Fundamental frequency of air column in closed pipe is V upon 4L. Which harmonics it has? It has only odd harmonics. कौन कौन सा हार्मोनिक है इसके पास?
Odd harmonics.
Odd मतलब n, 3n, 5n dot dot dot. अभी मैं रीड करता हूँ sum. They are saying if the air column in a pipe which is closed at one end is resonance with vibrating tuning fork of frequency 260 Hertz, then what is the length of air column? तो अपना resonance of tuning fork is with the air column, मतलब frequency same formula V by 4L, है ना? So entire game is of formula.
Yes, sir.
So n is 260. V you take 340 if not given, 4 times L. So L will become 340 upon 260 into 4, 0 cancel. This will be in meter. Answer is given in centimeter. 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 17. 26. Take it. So 17 into 100 upon 26 into 2 in centimeter. So if I consider this as 25 approximately, so it will be 4, 2, मतलब 34 सेंटीमीटर का आसपास में है क्या? A option. A. Because you can take this as 332 also at room temperature. So slightly less than which I got 34. No, slightly greater than 34, 30. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि इसको मैंने 26 दिया ना तो आंसर कम आया उससे ज्यादा. Actually for this sum they will give in bracket what is velocity. Not given, you will take 332 at room temperature. Done? Come to 8th now. Equation of wave is 5 sine t upon 0.04 minus x by 4, where y is in centimeter, that means CGS में दिया है. Find the maximum velocity of particle. Yes, what is maximum velocity of particle, Ayush? Hello, Ayush?
Yes, sir.
Maximum velocity of particle?
A sin.
A omega. Maximum velocity of particle A omega हमेशा. Sin कैसा आया? Maximum velocity of
हाँ, yes,
particle
sir.
of medium A omega. अभी तो थोड़ी देर पहले बोला आप लोगों ने A omega.
Yes, sir.
ये sin का कोएफिशिएंट ना कभी भी A रहता है. तब लिख देता हूँ मैं. Sin coefficient is always amplitude and T coefficient is always omega. याद रखना है हमेशा. Is always omega and x coefficient is always k, मतलब 2 पाई बाई लैम्डा. ये फिक्स है. अभी साइन का कोएफिशिएंट 5 ये अपना हो गया a. t का कोएफिशिएंट ओमेगा which is 1 upon 0.04. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Because comparison वाला समय है. Sin का कोएफिशिएंट a, t का कोएफिशिएंट ओमेगा. So this is nothing but 500 upon 4. 500 upon 4 is 125 centimeter. 1.25 meter is answer. 1.25 meter, option C.
None, sir.
If metal bob of a simple pendulum is replaced by wooden bob, then its time period will. कुछ फर्क पड़ेगा टाइम पीरियड पे?
No, sir.
No, because time period is independent of mass of the bob. So time period will remain same since independent of mass of bob. Then if displacement x and velocity v of simple harmonic motion related to the expression 4 V square is 25 minus x square. Then what is time period? See, if I'm separating V, then it will become 1 by 4, 25 minus x square. Correct, Ismat? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is V square formula? Is it omega square a square minus x square?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So with this, can I say omega square is 1 by 4? That means omega is 1 by 2. So 2 pi by time period is 1 by 2. Therefore, t is 4 pi. Options. T is 4 pi. Options. Yes, done.
Yes, sir.
11th. A simple pendulum from the roof of elevator is at rest as time period t1. Okay. When rest. When the elevator moves up, your net acceleration is g when rest. When moves up with acceleration a, moves upward with acceleration a, so net acceleration is taken as g plus a. When the elevator is moving down with acceleration a, the net acceleration is g minus a. Then what is relation between t1 and t2? This is question. So first t1 is 2 pi root of L by g. Then t2 is 2 pi root of L g plus a. And t3 is 2 pi root of L upon g minus a equation. So t1 square will become 4 pi square L upon g. Hello?
Yes, sir.
T1 square is 4 pi square L by g. And t2 square is 4 pi square L upon G plus A and T3 square equals to T square equals to 4 pi square L upon G minus A. Now you can see everywhere it is T1, T2, T1, T2 का relation. मतलब T1 you have to adjust in other form. Just copy this much. Just copy till this first. Completed?
Yes, sir.
I think if I remove this A, I can substitute here. So when you add these two equations, then it will come 2G equals to 4 pi square L into 1 upon T2 square plus 1 upon T3 square. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now in place of G, put that T1 square wala relation. It is 4 pi square into L upon T1 square is G. This means it will become 2 times G. G is 4 pi square L upon T1 square. 4 pi square L 1 upon T2 square 1 upon T3 square. ये cancel हो जाएगा. So 2 upon T1 square is T3 square plus T2 square upon T2 square T3 square. So T1 square upon 2 is T2 square, T3 square, T2 square plus T3 square. Now last line taking square root. Just copy again till this. T1 upon root 2 is T2 T3 upon root of T2 square plus T3 square. T1 is T2 T3 root 2 upon root of T2 square plus T3 square. Let us check whether we have this option. Right, C option.
Done, sir.
So today we'll stop here. Tomorrow again same time, and Sunday